Let us have a look on SPM 2013 paper 2 questions. A wire is cut into n parts. The length of each part increase and form a geometric progression. It is given that the length of the fifth part of the wire is 4 times the length of the third part of the wire. Calculate the common ratio, and B, given total length of the wire is 1533 cm and the length of the first part of the wire is 3 cm. Calculate the value of n, which is the number of the parts here, and the length in cm of the last part of the wire. Fifth part of the length, we write it as T5. Third part, we write it as T3. And 4 times means times 4. T5 is equals to 4 times of T3. Tn equals to ARn minus 1. So from here we know that our T5 is equals to AR to the power of 4 and T3 is AR to the power of 2. Okay, let us look at the second question. Once the question use the terms total, you should understand this one as your Sn. So which means this is our Sn equals to 1533. So we need to know the formula for Sn, which is equals to A1 minus r to the power of n over 1 minus r. You can also use r to the power of n minus 1 over r minus 1, so they are the same. First part means your A is equals to 3. You can find the length of the last part of the wire, which is your Tn. Alright, I will show you first how to solve this question by using formula. T5 is equals to 4T3 and T5 give us AR to the power of 4. T3 give us AR to the power of 2. We can actually divide both sides with A. Then the A will be cancelled off already. We can divide it by R square also in order to eliminate the R square here. And the R to the power of 4 will become R2. So that will give us R square equals to 4. So with this, we will have two values of R. One is positive 2, another one is negative 2. Length cannot be negative. So that's why we reject the negative 2 and we accept the positive 2 as our common ratio. So this is how we solve it by using formula. But of course, some people maybe want to use the listing method. Can. We list from the first term. First term is A, second term is AR, third term is AR square, fourth term is AR to the power of 3, fifth term is AR to the power of 4. Each term here, you multiply with common ratio. Second term to third term, multiply with R. Third term to fourth term, multiply with R. Fourth term to fifth term, multiply with R. Fifth term is 4 times of third term. So it means that from the third term to fifth term, you times 4. Times R here, same meaning as times 4. So with this, we can make the conclusion R square is equals to 4. That will give us our answer R is equals to 2. If you solve this question by using formula, the first mark is given when you apply the formula. The second mark is your final answer. If you are using the listing method, the first mark is given for R square equals to 4. The second mark is your answer, R equals to 2. Question B, we need to apply the formula of Sn. So the question asks for the n, right? So now our A is 3 and 1 minus the R is 2 to the power of n, close the bracket, over 1 minus 2 equals to 1533. Both sides divided by negative 3, I get 1 minus 2 to the power of n equals to negative 511. Okay, I move the 1 to the other side again. I get negative 2 to the power of n equals to negative 512. So both sides multiply with negative to make it become positive. 2 to the power of n is equals to 2 to the power of 9. That will give us n is equals to 9. Okay, so this is how we solve by using the formula. Okay, if you want to use the listing to find this answer, we list down from 3 and then multiply with 2. Then you get 6. Okay, multiply with 2 again, then you get 12. After you press the calculator, multiply by 2 twice. No need to press times 2 already. Just press equal. 24, 48, 96, 192, 384, 768. If the value almost give you 1533, then we stop. So with this, I know that my answer is n is equals to 9. Second questions. You want to find the length of the last term, and you know that the last term Tn is T9. So T9 is equals to 3 times 2 to the power of 8. We will get the answer 768. Okay, if you are using a listing method, we can directly write down our answer. T9 is equals to 768. If you are using formula, 1 mark given to the formula, 1 mark given to the answer, 1 mark given to the formula, 1 mark given to the answer. But if you are using the listing method, once you list down completely from 3 until 768, you will get your first mark. Okay, once you list it completely with the plus to find the sum, you will get your second mark. The answer for n equals to 9 will give you the third mark. And the answer 768 give you the fourth mark.